crafty friends, I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to join me for my crafting journey. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button as well as that little bell icon so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Today I have a fun design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I have created this twist and pop shaker card with pockets. Now I'm not going to do a full tutorial because I've already created a very detailed tutorial which walks you through step by step on how to create a twist and pop card. I'll be sure to include that link in the description box below. However, I do want to walk through some measurements and other helpful tips because I have made some slight modifications in this version. The paper collection that I'm using is Mintay. I have used this for a number of projects that I've created this week. This is available at ASC Craft Supplies. You can visit them online or their Etsy store. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. This card measures 6 by 6, and I really love the way it turned out. It's so fun and whimsical. For the card, I cut a piece of heavyweight cardstock 6 by 12 inches, and I scored it at 6 inches to create my card base. For my matting layers, typically I like to use a 1/4 inch border. So the green mat measures 5 3/4, and this decorative mat measures 5.5 inches around. On the top, I've used several pieces of ephemera from the Vacation collection. This is a chipboard piece. This cute pink flamingo is also from the ephemera pack. These flowers here and here are the flowers that I created in a previous video. And this little piece here with the lemonade glass is a chipboard piece. And as you can see, I've added in more of these flowers. These are fussy cut flowers here and here from the paper collection. I wanted to create several different layers on this card, so I have it popped up on several layers of foam tape. If you look closely, you can see the glittering on the flower. I use my Spectrum Noir clear glitter ink. On the right here, I have a pretty cluster of flowers. I've got my yellow beads and stamens. And in the back, I've added in this pretty pink tulle. And over here, in the center, I have created a shaker card. Now, I found this image in Cricut Design Space. I simply cut it out. I cut a piece of acetate to cover the back, and then I used foam tape. And I cut it in half so that I could easily wrap the foam tape around this scallop circle. And as you can see inside, I have lots of fun pink sequins inside. On the right, I have a little tag here. I'll show you that once we open the card. When I open up the card, ta-da! This is the twist and pop mechanism. On the top and on the bottom, the matting layers are the same as the front. 5 1/4 for the green and 5 1/2 for the decorative panel. Now I really can't decorate a lot on the top and bottom. I've got to keep it flat so that it doesn't impede the twist and pop mechanism. So I've simply used one of the ephemera pieces that say summer, and I've backed that on green paper, and I have a little ice cream in the background. And then on the bottom of the card, I have a pair of sunglasses and another chipboard sentiment that says, "Dear Summer, please stay forever." And then on the bottom, I have another lemonade glass and a little camera. On the top, I have a little pocket here. And I've cut these tags out on Cricut Design Space. I have pink ribbon and a little gemstone in the center. And I simply took the cut aparts from the 12 by 12 to create the larger mat. And then the smaller mat are the cut aparts from the 6 by 6 collection. And then on the back, I've just used a plain white sheet that you could use for journaling or you can use for a photo. So we have a tag on the top here. And we have a tag on the bottom. This is a second card. And this tag goes right in here on the bottom, just like so. It's really, really simple to make these pockets. I simply glued the top and the bottom mat on 3 sides, so the top, the left side, and the bottom, and then I left the right side open so that I could easily slide the card in and out just like so. It's that simple. Now let's talk about this mechanism here in the center. In my original tutorial, I tell you to cut out 2 pieces that measure 11 by 4 inches, and that will create this little mechanism here on the bottom as well as this piece here. However, the one thing that I did differently in this video is that I used 1 large strip of cut aparts. In the Mintay 12 by 12 collection, you will receive 1 page that has all cut aparts, and they are layered 4 in a row across the page. I simply cut out a strip, and because they already measure 3 by 4 inches, which is exactly the size that I need, all I have to do is fold along the score lines of where these little cut aparts meet, and then I have a perfect insert for my twist and pop card. So in my original tutorial, I have this matted and layered, and I have a separate image here, 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 and here. In this example, I've just used 1 large strip of paper that already includes these beautiful designs. Here we have a little camera, a glass of lemonade, and it says delicious. On this one, we've got a pink parrot and beautiful tropical flowers. It says going tropical. On this one, I have a pretty hammock. It says lazy days. And then finally, we've got this pink flamingo that says endless summer. But all of these are attached, and I think it makes creating twist and pop cards very easy, and it really cuts down on the amount of layering and measuring that you have to do. This concludes my review of my Twist and Pop shaker card with pockets. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. Please be sure to check out my Mintay project playlist that includes all of the projects that I've created this week and last week using the Mintay vacation paper. I have 1 more project in this series, so please be sure to join me tomorrow to see what that is. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.